The RC12M is a luxury motorhome built on a Volvo FH chassis and featuring a potent 540 horsepower turbo diesel engine. The RC12M is a luxury motorhome from RC Motorhomes. Clean, uncluttered lines and a well-thought-out design make it one of the best-looking vehicles in its class on the market. All of this results in a living area more akin to that of a superyacht interior-finished luxury apartment. All of the engineering spaces inside the vehicle can be made watertight thanks to the RC12M's higher floor height. The RC12M demands an enormous rear car garage, a 7-meter awning, and no less than 4 enormous slide-outs. With the push of a button, its hydraulic step system can easily fold and unfold large steps. When it comes to MotoGP races, Valentino Rossi's home away from home is a specially designed and customized motorhome called the VR46. Rossi can unwind and get ready for races in this luxurious and spacious mobile home. The motorhome is equipped with a strong engine that enables it to travel comfortably between races. It is built on a Mercedes-Benz Acros chassis. A kitchen, dining area, and lounge are located in the spacious living area. In addition, there is a laundry room, a bathroom, and a bedroom. A gym, a massage room, and a games room are also equipped in the motorhome. Rossi's racing number 46 and his VR46 logo are emblazoned on the outside of the motorhome. Additionally, Rossi's artwork and memorabilia adorn the interior. The VR46 motorhome, as a one-of-a-kind and exceptional vehicle, is a fitting tribute to Rossi's legacy as one of the greatest MotoGP riders ever. The CMC Aluna motorhome is an example of the Italian company CMC Caravan's commitment to quality in the industry since 1961. Each CMC motorhome, including the Aluna, is the ideal fusion of tradition and innovation. They are renowned for their exquisite trailers and unique vehicles. CMC's motorhomes are designed to captivate even the pickiest customers with their unique comforts. Elegant shapes and premium materials are used in the vehicle's painstakingly detailed construction. The motorhomes are built, equipped, and furnished to meet the specific needs of each customer. Along with lowering the environmental impact of their vehicles, CMC is dedicated to creating new technological solutions and enhancing material quality. This luxurious motorhome, the Vario Signature 1200, offers a special fusion of comfort and functionality. A 6-cylinder, 523 horsepower turbo diesel engine powers it, and a Mercedes-Benz Acros chassis supports its construction. The motorhome has a gross vehicle weight rating of 26 tons and is 12 meters long. With 3 electro-hydraulic slide-outs, it features a large living area. The XXL garage of the Vario Signature 1200, which is big enough to fit a high-powered Grand Tourer like a Mercedes-AMG GT, Porsche 911, or Mini Cooper, is one of its most notable features. An outdoor living area, a motorized awning, and separate sleeping areas with 4 to 6 beds are among the interior customization options. A specialized vehicle that offers catering services during cycling tours is a restaurant truck and catering van for cycling teams. It has a fully functional kitchen with everything necessary to serve a large gathering of people. The difficult job of feeding cyclists, who can eat as much as 24 regular people out of a kitchen truck that travels from one stage to the next, falls to the chefs of cycling teams. To get the kitchen truck back on the road as soon as possible, they pack recovery meals for the team and begin preparing meals for them. During the tours, this truck is essential to the team's recovery and nutrition. Known for their luxury, comfort, and technical sophistication, Faulkner Mobile is a prestigious manufacturer of high-end motorhomes. The Performance S is unique in that it has a patented central garage between the axles of the motorhome, which allows it to accommodate a 4-seater car without sacrificing the entire headroom of the living area. This 12-meter-long vehicle provides exceptional driving dynamics, security, and enjoyment while traveling. It ensures a sense of well-being while living. For optimal independence and self-sufficiency, the Performance S is outfitted with sizable tank volumes, substantial battery capacities, and copious amounts of photovoltaic equipment. Additionally, it has air conditioning and heating that are automatically monitored and controlled by the Faulkner UX system. The thrill of the open road is combined with luxury and comfort in a $2.5 million RV, creating an unparalleled experience. These upscale RVs, like those made by Newell Coach, provide an unmatched degree of sophistication and convenience. They have modern conveniences and features that guarantee a relaxing and pleasurable ride. The finest materials are used to craft the interiors, which are painstakingly designed with an eye for detail to create a cozy atmosphere. Will Smith owns a unique 1,200 square foot, $2.5 million mobile home. Anderson Mobile Estates, based in Big Pine Key, Florida, designed this trailer, which went by the name Heat. Other actors, like Ashton Kutcher on the set of 2.5 Men, use the same model. However, Smith's needs have been catered to in this particular one. A lovely and roomy little house that is ideal for small families or couples is the Timbercraft Big Sky Tiny Home model. It features a big enough living area for relaxing and entertaining, a full kitchen, a bathroom with a shower, and a loft bedroom. Spray foam insulation, a mini-split air conditioner, and a washer and dryer are just a few of the features that make the home comfortable and livable. For anyone looking for a chic and cozy tiny house, the Timbercraft Big Sky Tiny Home model is a fantastic option. People who are looking for a low-maintenance, energy-efficient home should consider this option as well. A 3D animation called the Tesla Semi-Truck Motorhome concept shows what a motorhome based on the Tesla Semi might look like. This concept was developed by Visual Dynamics, a 3D or CGI studio that specializes in 3D presentations for various markets. It envisions traveling the nation in style and comfort while exploring new locations, all while utilizing a wealth of technology to enhance the travel experience. It is not just a fantasy. The concept is real. The possibility of using the Tesla Semi as a foundation for an electric motorhome is being discussed. With a full load of 82,000 pounds, the Tesla Semi can travel over 500 miles on a single charge, powered by a battery pack that holds approximately 900 kilowatt hours. Because it would likely weigh less than 82,000 pounds as a motorhome, the Tesla Semi would likely have an even longer range. With this, you might be able to drive a Tesla Semi-motorhome more than 600 miles in a single day without needing to charge it overnight. In just a few days, you could travel amazing distances without emitting any emissions. A Tesla semi-truck motorhome combines the independence and comforts of a motorhome with the state-of-the-art technology of Tesla, making it an incredibly intriguing concept.